Hi, I'm Jerry. If you have a photo on your phone that you'd like to put on your home screen as wallpaper, this video can show you how easy it is to do. Today my smartphone has the Android operating system on it, and I'm going to show you how to change the home screen wallpaper. And what you want to do is start from the home screen, and that's the screen that has all these little icons on it. And what I'm going to do is look for settings, and settings is the little gear, I call it, and I'm going to touch that, and I'm going to look for display, and there's display. I'm going to touch that. Now I'm looking for wallpaper. Wallpaper is what they call the image on the home screen behind the apps, and you can change that as many times as you want. And there's wallpaper. I'm going to touch that, and it brings up some options, and I want to go to my gallery so I can put my photo on it, and there's my gallery right there. And when this came up, I didn't know what to do with it because there's no indication, so what to do, you know, and I moved stuff around, and I finally found out if you touch the image, the gallery comes up. Interesting. And then just choose the photo that you want to put on there. I'm going to choose that one. And this screen comes up, and you can make it bigger by just touching in the lit rectangle. Now this lit rectangle, you can move left to right and choose how you want to crop the image. And this is actually a preview of what you're going to see if you choose that. Now you can also make it smaller. You can touch one of the corners and slide it diagonally, and it makes it really small, so you can just now move this around and choose what little area you might want to put on your home screen. And let's just try that. I'm going to go down to the bottom and push OK, and now it's turning it into the preview. And this is actually what it will look like if you choose that one for your wallpaper. And I'm going to choose that, so go down to set wallpaper on the bottom, touch that, and it'll turn it into my home screen wallpaper. And to see it, I need to go to the navigation bar on the bottom and look for the circle and touch the circle, and that always brings you back to your home screen. And this is what I chose. I mean, it's not the greatest, but it was fun. So that's all there is to doing that. And if the video was helpful, please give me a like, and I'll see you next time.